Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, because spots are limited and they are filling up pretty fast, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader to get access to my indicators, to get all that good stuff, to get access to the chat, all that really cool stuff. And also just if you guys have like stocks and stuff that you guys want me to do to please drop them in the chat. I try to do my best to do that. Also, because I just started that ChatGPT, the AI series. I can do that for you guys as well. Just drop it in the chat. This is going to be a little bit different video. I have been looking more at the weekly just to load up on like shares and stuff or for specific portfolios that I have for the long term, right? And I just wanted to share this one with you guys. Roku does look like it's about to fucking bust and go up super, super hard. The last two times that I actually ran hard on the weekly like this, the first time you went up 85% in about 77 days, so about 2 months and a half, right? And the next time you ran was actually 93% from the lows in about 42 days, so about a month and a half, right? And it looks like it's gonna do that again now. You actually just closed. I mean, I should have gone into this not last week, but the prior week at around $59 because that was a trigger. I just didn't see Roku until now, but this is a perfect place to add for shares. Again, it's your money, do whatever you want, but if I was loading up, which I am going to be loading up on Monday with a bunch of shares on Roku because I do think it has a really good chance of driving all the way up to like $88, maybe $97, right? Which is a really solid return of like 40 to 70% return, right? Over the course of maybe the next couple of months or so. I'm giving it more of a 2 month, 3 month timeline, but again, it's mostly for loading up shares, right? And it's for like a long-term thing. But yeah, compared to what you would get at like SPY, which you're just, getting like a 7% return, you're looking at potentially 10 times that or 1,000% more gains over the S&P 500 by just, using the indicators to add to your long-term, right? And I do think that we are headed somewhere around this range, man, 85 to like 95. And again, this is more for your long-term, or maybe you want to swing trade or get some really long options or something, and some option calls for you for like yourself or your portfolio. But again, just wanted to share the sauce because it's been pretty accurate on the weekly. Again, every single time it does this on the weekly, it tends to run up really well. This last time that it died, right? It's been dying. It died. Oh, actually, it died a lot. Since 2021, it's been diving, and it's been pretty good. It's been on a pretty good run up ever since it hit a low here back in 2022 in December. So not bad, not horrible. I would definitely look more into swing trading this as opposed to maybe holding long term. Yeah, this looks like it might be. Did it already break? Yeah, it looks like it already actually broke trend. Never mind. This might actually not be as good as I thought. Let me check the monthly. The monthly is hitting lows. The 2 week is about to close. Yeah, actually, I could see it. I could see this actually pushing up a little bit higher. I can definitely see this being the low and this running up to new highs, right? I can definitely see this running all the way back up, maybe to some sort of resistance here, like 233. That's not bad, actually. Yeah, I'll definitely be adding this into the longer term portfolio. If not, I'll be looking at shares and maybe possibly getting out in the next 2 to 3 months, depending on where price hits, right? If this goes up, if I buy right now, if I'm buying on Monday at $60 and this goes to 120, right, in the next like 2-3 months, I'll pull out half because I already made 100% return, and then leave the rest for the longer term portfolio, just to kind of sit there, right? Because on the monthly, it definitely looks like it's getting oversold, and I would not be surprised to see it on a good, at least steady or maybe like a smaller push up to the upside. But yeah, just wanted to share the sauce. It does look like Roku's gonna be running up pretty hard for the next 2 or 3 months, and then we'll kind of go from there. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.